So we've been dealing with image overlays recently. Let's look at another reason why you might want to use an image overlay. We've done labels for our polygons with place marks. Let's take a look at that first. So here I'm going to my snapshot for my areas of interest, where I have a couple polygons with labels to them. Now, these labels were created with place marks, and let's look at how those work. As I zoom out, you see how the labels get bigger? Also, as I navigate around, they stay upright to the audience, which most times is fine. But in some cases, you're not going to want it to do that. You're going to want it to stay the same size relative to the ground and stay in a certain orientation on the ground as well. A good example of that is if I wanted to create a label for my running route here. Let's say I want this to say PT Route 1, 2.87 miles, and I want to put a label here, a label here, a label here, and a label over here. Let's use our image overlay technique to achieve this. So first, I'm going to come to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to call this PT Route 1, 2.87 miles. And I'm going to take just a second to make this look the way I want. Make it orange like the path, maybe bold, and a little bit bigger. Maybe something like that. And fix the spelling error. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to right click on it, save as a picture, save to my pictures folder. I'm going to call this route label. Fix the spelling error again. All right, now go to Google Earth. What I'm going to do is organize first. Remember, the rules of Google Earth. The very first one is organization. So I'm going to get set up for success before I even begin. I'm going to right-click, add a folder. I'm going to call this my exercise folder. And I'm going to move this path into that folder. Now I'm going to add my image overlays. So right-click on my exercise folder, add image overlay. We've got our green lines. We've talked about this. I'm going to call this label. And I'm going to browse to my pictures folder, my route label, and there it is. But it's not the right size or orientation. So we've covered this. I'm going to shrink it down. I'm going to move it. And I'm going to put it, use the diamond like this. And I'm going to put this label right here. Click OK when I'm happy with the location. And there it is. And now you can see that label stays the same size relative to the ground and doesn't change orientation as I move. But I wanted 3 more of these. One here, and one over here. I don't have to recreate the wheel. I've already done it once. So watch real close. This is the details, guys, right here. This label. Right-click, copy. Right-click, paste, right-click, paste, right-click, paste. So now, over here in my places, this is the details that tricks people up. I've got 4 of that image overlay, but aesthetically on my map, it looks like 1. Let me explain. Because they're right on top of each other. Now let's take a look. If I wanted to edit anything, remember rule number 2, right-click properties. So I'm going to right click, Properties, and now I can move this one. And I'll move it here. Change the orientation. Put it in my spot. When I'm happy with it, click OK. And now I do the next one. Right click, Properties. Now I'm going to move this one. Zoom in. Maybe move it like this. When I'm happy with it, click OK. And one more time, right click, Properties. Move it over here. Move it. When I'm happy with it, click OK. And now I've got 4 of those labels. One here, one here, one here, and the last one here. 4 of them, but all pointing to the same image for my image overlay. Now the last rule of Google Earth, I put in some work, it's time to save and save often. So up to File, Save, Save My Places, and now all that work that I've done is finished and I've been organized so I can turn the path and all 4 labels off or on with one click because I organized. So that's one of my favorite techniques. When I want my label to be just right, I like to use an image overlay. Thanks for watching. Map your world.